Welcome to Roll for Sushi, where the faces are our next meal. Let's roll. 14. Eel. Sweet, tangy, and fully cooked. This will be perfect for our +1 longsword. Sushi polymorph. 6. Temari. This ball-shaped form calls for a little bigger sized rice balls. Eel is never used for this, so this should be really interesting. On your wrap, piece of eel, place your rice ball. Keep it as tight as you can for at least 10 minutes or so.
A few moments later.
When you unwrap them, it should keep their shape. I can see why this form of sushi is popular for picnics. Mercers. 11. Katsuobushi. These are dry flying fish flakes. It's a little unfortunate because it can be pretty fishy. Finishing touches. 6. Benishoga. These are red pickled ginger slices. I'm gonna just slice them 2 ways, keep them pretty long.
2.
It should be a good answer to the fishiness. It's sour, salty, and refreshing. And let's have a taste. I think I mentioned it before, I'm not the biggest eel fan, but this one actually took me by surprise.
Eel takoyaki? Question
Yeah,
mark.
eel takoyaki.
Camera woman nailed it. It has the sweet and smokiness of eel. Combined with the aroma of the katsuobushi, it lands somewhere between sushi and takoyaki. The benishoga provides the acidity and refreshing texture. The temari ball factor also makes it extra fun to eat. I would give this a 7.9.